Welcome to the spectacular world of Thousand Vlogs. Indra Square is a well-established shopping mall in Bangkok's bustling Pratunam district, catering to both retail shoppers and wholesale buyers looking for affordable fashion, accessories, footwear, cosmetics, electronics, and souvenirs. Its broad commercial range and genuinely competitive prices make it a practical destination for budget-conscious travelers who want variety under one roof. The atmosphere inside leans toward a traditional market energy rather than a polished mall experience. Floors are densely packed with vendors and stalls, and browsing rewards patience. Bargaining is standard practice throughout the complex, with vendors typically opening at higher prices and discounts available to those who negotiate confidently. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. Many vendors also accept mobile payments. Food options are available within the building, meaning visitors can comfortably spend several hours without needing to leave. Weekday mornings tend to offer a quieter, more relaxed shopping experience, while weekends and evenings bring noticeably heavier foot traffic. Comfortable walking shoes are a practical necessity, as covering the multiple floors and the sheer number of stalls involves a fair amount of ground. The mall sits within the Pratunam area and is accessible via public transportation connections serving central Bangkok. Bringing small cash denominations is useful for smoother transactions, particularly when bargaining. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please do watch our other Bangkok, Thailand playlist. Have you been to Bangkok, Thailand? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.